Guys, this is Legoboy, and today I have a new candy machine that I've built thanks to Astonishing Studios, and I got the idea and how to build from them, so thanks again for Astonishing Studios. Now this is it. It's not much, just a small pocket-sized mini candy machine. And so the first step, which you guys probably know, is to put the coin in a coin slot. And I just put a touch here that Astonishing Studios didn't tell me to do. I just thought it would look nice. And you put the coin in and press a little bit, and it'll come out front and the back. And you want to pull that. And I'll turn to this side so you can see what's happening. And that'll just fall right out. And then you can do it again. And it's kind of hard for me to find the spot that you put it in, but so that's pretty much all that you would do with this machine. And the next thing that you do, for the owner of the machine that owns this, she would have a secret little axle, and you would pop it in, and then you'd pull out, and that'll reveal all the money, and all your money would come right out. And then time to reload it. And real quickly, I'll go get my sign that I have actually made for my machine. And it was quite hard, but first says out, and that stands for out of candy, and then on the back it says open, and I think it's backwards or whatever, but yeah, so that's the signs I have made for my little mini candy machine that's right here. And so I'll show you the top view of everything. But first, I'm going to show you how you put your candy in. Just pop it in there. So you can see it right now. And I will put the coin in. And this is going to be a little hard because it's the different direction than it's supposed to be. And so, yeah, that's just how you load it. And I was going to show you how it works, but it's too hard from the top view of it. And that's pretty much all for this little candy machine. Well, excuse me. Sorry about that. And I will take a little bit of it apart to take out the axle. This is a little axle, and that's inside of it, and the axle goes right in, or you could say the candy mechanism or whatever, and you'd put this piece on top that would hold it in like this. And then you put the top on, and Astonishing Studios, on that video, I couldn't finish it, so I just put the top on with some flat pieces, and I figured out a way to put two in. I couldn't finish it because it was buffering too much, and it wouldn't even go to the video, so I just finished it my own way, so that may be a little different. That's all, and so, one more time. Put it in, and pull out. And that's pretty much all. So thanks for watching this video. This is Legoboy again. See you next time. Bye.